Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week tutorial, I want to share with you a method that you can use to automatically update your footer copyright year. So we are going to use the 2025 theme uh, and also some snippet coding to do this. But it's very simple. You can just follow step by step in this video. So the first thing we need to do is to go to the dashboard and add a new plugin. And the plugin to add is called WP Code. If you already have this plugin, then you can skip this step because in previous tutorials I've shared about this plugin before. The purpose is to insert some of the custom snippets. Okay, so after it's installed, click activate. So we are going to the code snippet and we are going to add a new snippet. So click on this one, add custom snippet and select PHP snippet, this one. And the title, you can put down updated footer, it's up to you, okay? And the coding, I have a set of coding here. I will put it in the description below so you can copy and paste. Just paste it in and then activate it over here, activate and click save. Okay, so once it has been saved, now we can go to the editor to edit the footer template. So the step here will applicable if you use a theme like 2025 or 2024 or any FSE theme, full site editing theme. Okay, so I click on patterns, I go to footer. So select a footer that currently is showing in your website. So for me, it's this one. So I click on it. Okay, so open up the document overview, expand the group so that you can see which one is which row. So this is the row, click on it. So this is this block and this block. So by the way, I also want to remove this design with WordPress. So I just click this three dot and scroll down and click delete. Okay, and I want to add a new block. So click on here, add before and click type slash and select shortcode. We're going to enter a shortcode. Okay, and the shortcode is called updated copyright. So let's put in the square bracket updated dash copyright. Okay, so let's save. Okay, before we save, I want to take away this 2025 also. So just click on this three dot, click delete. Okay, so once you have deleted that, so it only left with the shortcode block. I'm going to save. And then let's go back to the website. I do a refresh and I scroll down to the bottom. And now you can see that the copyright note is here, 2025, all rights reserved. So this 2025 will automatically change to 2026 and thereafter every year so that you don't need to manually go and edit your footer year. Okay, so let me share with you another way of using this shortcode. For example, if you want to put a range of year, for example, let's say your company started from 1990 to up to 2025, you want to put in 1990 in front also. So how do you do that? So let's go back to the shortcode over here and you can put down space, type in start equal to, then put in the year here, 1990 for example. And then you click save, go back to the website, click refresh. And now you can see that it shows a range. Okay, another way of using this shortcode, you can also put in your company or your website name here by adding something to the shortcode. So let me show you how to do that. So updated copyright, then start equal to this year, and I put a space, and I put text equal to, then you can surround the text with the text that you want to include. For example, my domain is kctan.com.sg. So this is what I want to put it in. And I click save, go back to my website, click refresh. And now you can see that it's replaced with kctan.com.sg. Okay, so that's how it works. So I hope that this simple tutorial will help you if you want to automatically update your copyright year in your website footer. Any questions, feel free to post in the comments area below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.